Hallo Leute, schön, dass ihr wieder da seid. Wir müssen jetzt mit Franklin zu dumm. Und ich ahne Übles.
Okay, a little something that's gonna help me get some tail from those Midwestern ladies that I get to meet online.
Liquiditätsrisiko.
Let's pretend for a second that you're not so much of a pussy and vamos, as my cleaning lady would say. Just to be clear, I'm not racist. I meant that ironically. I have a black friend, and I didn't even really notice that you were black, or whatever your people call it. Get the fuck out of here. All right, let's go.
Ich hoffe einfach nur, dass wir nicht mal falsch springen.
Let's roll where?
Okay, wir müssen auf Flugzeug, das heißt schon mal. Was? Tandem?
I'm doing fucking what?
What?
Man, I must be crazier than you are. Yeah, we got liftoff. As soon as we hit a suitably stupid altitude, we'll kamikaze this shit into next week. Am I right? Come on, high five. Hell no, man. Shit, I don't want you to be the last person I touch. Yeah, okay, air fighter then. Parachute? Check. ATV? Check. Big pair of balls? Check. Okay, this is happening.
So jetzt sie checken lassen. Wir fetzen da jetzt wirklich raus? Woohoo! Holy shit, der ist ja übel geil.
Oh shit!
The fuck? Ja, wir sollten vielleicht mehr Abspringer.
Hey man, I had to ditch the fucking bike. That shit was way too intense. Yeah, I can see you being a real hit with the ladies, homie. You have no idea. You should see me online. Like flies on a turd, bro.
Ah, so macht man das nochmal. Ja, ja. Mann, die Code ist aber nicht Drecks-Fallschirmspringer, Mann. Wenigstens muss man doch nicht in der Mitte landen, aber ich versuch's und ich kann's einfach nicht.
You feel that? Lightning bolt. Zap! You're alive. You know how it feels. Man, I know how it feels to ride an ATV out of a damn airplane. Man, how much that shit cost you per second? It's relative, bro. How long did it take me to earn the bills? Listen, you go out walking amongst the drones. I'll be on top of the Maze Bank building with the higher beings. Dominator out.
Weil du kannst sie nicht Dominator nennen und dann meinen, dass du über die Ladies abkriegst. Ohne Scheiß. Gut, wenigstens kein falsch, also ja schon falsch besprungen, aber halt nicht so ein Scheiß, wo man exakt landen muss. Mann. Ich hoffe, wir sind bald durch mit so many Freaks. Ja, dann scheint keine Geldprobleme. Wir haben durch den Palido-Heist sehr viel Geld fürs FIB gescheffelt. Vor allem fürs FIB. Leider. Die haben uns ja immer noch am Haken. Aber mit diesem Geld haben die irgendwas vorbereitet und ich habe keine Ahnung was. Ich hoffe, dass das nicht schon irgendwo gesagt haben, aber für mich ist es irgendwie schwierig, wenn ich gleichzeitig versuche, zum Hören, was die sagen, aber dann in einer anderen Sprache unten leicht mitlies, aber das nicht alles beides zu 100% kann. Ist so scheiße, echt. Was soll das jetzt? Sag bloß, ich muss da in der Nacht herkommen und jetzt genau dann ab 5 Uhr. Naja, wenigstens haben wir jetzt nochmal eine Nachricht von Dom gekriegt, als jetzt ready für die nächste Mission. Das Ding ist, ich habe mich gerade gefragt, wie kann die wie kann die an einer Flugzeug kommen oder irgendein Heli oder irgendwie sowas, womit die auf den Maze Bank Tower raufkommen. Ich glaube, ich hab da was. Also ohne, dass ich die Cops irgendwie auf dem Häusglock krieg. Weasel News. Einfach ein Luftschiff. Das könnte eine Zeit dauern, weil die sind nicht so schnell in der Fortbewegung. Aber I take this. Weil mittlerweile finde ich es einfach zu nervig, die ganze Zeit Cops abzuschütteln. Aber irgendwie müssen wir zu Dom und zur nächsten Mission. Oh ja, schau, jetzt haben wir schon viel zu weit drüber. Ja. Perfekt. Springen wir jetzt da runter? Ist das so ein Ding?
Hey there, pussy. Are you watching? This is safer than crossing the street. Shit, bullshit. Well, less people have died doing this than crossing the street. How about that?
Gezieltes Risiko.
I said sell all your American equities, and now look at this shithole. Come on.
Warum macht Franklin aber bei so einem Scheiß-Miet?
Yeah, history coming at you live.
Okay, let's go.
It's all good. You got this. Aim for that flatbed truck down there. Truck? What fucking truck?
Ich muss auf dem Laster landen.
Accelerating, duh. Fear cocktail with the twist. Shaking.
Ach na. Das haben wir das letzte Mal auch beim First Try geschafft, aber da
Whatever you say,
war ich ein bisschen mehr in der Übung drin. Jo, wir sind Jagdland. Na, oh. Und Jack. War schon wieder knapp, wobei ich mal, ich bin schon viel zu weit drüber.
Dudes, that was insane! Hey, Franklin, it's me, Jeff. I'm gonna drop you at the garage on Elgin. Okay, Dom?
Wer ist Jeff? Aber nice to meet you.
Gangster by night, parachuting pussy by day. Oh, you should make that your log line. Sales, bro. Who's buying? Not me. Overpriced. Hey, we'll hook up over the Land Act Reservoir, and I might shift your rating from sell to a hold. Done.
Spacko. Gut, ich hoffe, das war's jetzt mit den riesigen. So, ich hoffe mir, dass jetzt die Mission triggert. Die Mission wurde unterbrochen, kam später. Hä? Warum? Warum schon wieder? Es ist das zweite Mal jetzt. Was soll ich denn machen? So, dritter Versuch, ob die Mission triggert. Da steht wer? Michael und Franklin. Seht ihr es? Naja, schaut gut aus. Aber warum jetzt? Warum mit Trevor gerade? Warum steht es da nicht da? Ja, what's going on? Ich bin echt gespannt, was jetzt los ist. Affige Angelegenheit. Oh, Humane Labs.
International corporation. It's very time consuming. Nothing, of course, you'd understand, being a gentleman of leisure. You know, Franklin, if there's one thing that you're gonna learn from being around us,
Plead fucking insanity. Then they can't fry you.
if you want something done, go to the busy man. This rich fuck is useless.
Hold on, man. Could y'all knock that shit off?
Oh, look! Boys, you're boys. It's the feds.
Hey, where's the other three?
What other three?
Die anderen drei?
We told you to bring along six. This is a six-man job.
No, you didn't.
Dave did.
No, Dave didn't.
You said you'd do it. That is a frickin' lie. I do not get things wrong.
All right, great. Then we're out of here. Fuck it. Let's go.
You three can do it alone.
And die, fuck you. You do
Ein
your
Job
own
für
thing.
Six
I
Light.
do my dirty work every day, keeping the country safe from scum like you.
And you're doing a great job, sir.
Hey, you want this job done? Then come with us, huh? Come on, Mr. Leisureware, Mr. Depressed Accountant. Let's go save America.
Who the fuck are we saving it from this time?
This is the real deal. My sources are convinced there's a plot in international affairs, you know, the agency, and they're using this facility to make a serious nerve toxin.
Bullshit.
Yeah, which they plan in their mind-blowing insanity to let a major terrorist release on a metropolitan area so they can continue to get funding. Nothing increases funding for fighting terrorism more than successful acts of terrorism.
So all right. So let me get this straight then.
No, there is no getting it straight. That's the point. Now we're doing this. You two are on getaway. Fuck off and make it happen. Michael, you're with us. What size flipper you wear?
Ich hab kein gutes Gefühl bei dem Ganzen. Vor allem, weil die Motivation bei den anderen irgendwie nicht so hoch ist gerade.
Agent Norton, it's been a while since you were in the field. The sight of you in neoprene is something we save for our worst enemies.
Shut up, I'll be fine.
And you, get in. You're driving.
Go down the coast. The facility's a few clicks south of us.
Listen to me, Steve. No wisecracks, got it? No fucking cliches. We're fighting for the freedom of the people today.
Don't lecture me on patriotism. You've been living outside the system too long. Social responsibilities, a joke to you.
So maybe I redeem myself, get killed in the process, huh? That old bullshit.
No one is dying on my watch. Not even the burnout bank robber with temper issues and nothing to live for.
A hero's death is too good for you. You'll die in the ignominy you deserve.
Oh, thank God. Fate shall carry me safe through these selfless acts of charity.
Ich hoffe, Steve nippelt ab. Ganz einfach.
We can get in through the discharge tunnel.
Here goes.
Wenigstens sehen wir was unter Wasser. Bei sowas habe ich nämlich auch mal ein bisschen Schiss. Es könnte nämlich sehr, sehr schnell ganz dunkel werden.
There'll be a grate over the outlet. Townley, you've got the cutter. When we get there, go to work punching through.
Roger that.
Okay, wir schneiden uns rein.
Okay. Using the oxyhydro cutter on the grill.
That's burning at over 3,500 degrees.
Yeah, thanks for the science lesson. Can I keep this for the next vault I hit?
That gas won't last forever, so cut smart.
So, you got any more little facts for me from the instruction manual?
Thought you'd want some intel on the equipment we sourced using your hard-won funds.
Ha! I figured it was all gonna go on a wardrobe full of windbreakers. Oh, and maybe some nipple clamps.
Ja, ist ja gar kein Stress.
That should do it.
Nice.
Okay, we swim down the tunnel, gain access to the facility.
Das ist der Abflusstunnel, oder wie?
You sure this thing comes out where you think it does?
The intel is good. We're 100 yards out.
Ah, I feel like I'm giving a colonoscopy to the Statue of Happiness.
Nice change from beating up Trevor Phillips's ass all day.
You feel that? Water's getting warmer.
You wet your pants, Davey?
This is a cooling tunnel. Of course it's getting warmer. No one urinated.
I know
Also.
for a fact that that ain't true.
The problem with this job is I only get to know the criminals who are dumb enough to get themselves caught.
Yeah, only I wasn't caught. Remember? I turned myself in.
He makes a point.
That makes you
Yep.
doubly dumb.
Also wir müssen in ein Labor und wahrscheinlich wieder irgendwas stehlen.
Final turbine. Nearly there. Take it up to the surface, people.
Ich kenne mich hier schon ein bisschen aus. Durch den Online-Modus. Okay. Noch hat uns keiner bemerkt.
I was born ready. Let's do this.
Come on, Dave. What's the plan?
Hey. We locate the toxin and action our escape strategy.
Ah, Toxin,
That's
okay,
what
Gift.
we got.
Great. Lead the way.
Bank robber, set your phaser to stun. Dave, you're on point. I'm leading from the rear.
Hands up, you, now. Against the wall, quick.
No, wait. Hey.
Defibrillate our friend here, Michael. Sooner we're done, the better.
Okay. Sie durchstunnen.
Hands where I can see him. Drop your piece.
Yo, who are you?
Michael, why is this guy not having a seizure?
Okay.
Come on. Okay. Now hit the elevator.
Da ist eine Safe-Kleberleiterin.
Out, out, out.
Easy now, easy now.
Please, don't.
Get the pass.
Ah, eine Zugangskarte. Optimal.
How you feeling about this? I'm feeling pretty damn fine.
Yeah, if only your camera crew was here.
Eyes right. Stay on top of this. We're fine. Move on. 2 lab geeks. Gotta deal with them.
Zack. Zack.
They're down. Let's go. Along here to the
Und
left.
weiter. Ne, das Ding ist, der heute ja nicht so lang, der Schock. Die stängern ja irgendwann wieder und dann gibt's einen Notruf.
Behind the wall. Security detail about to make a pass.
Und wir müssen in Deckung.
They're on us. Make a judgment call.
I dare you. Just a
Nein.
little pinprick. What can a pinprick do?
Das war eigentlich so dumm, gell, weil da hinten flackern die anderen. Scheiße.
Okay, we're clear.
Scheiße.
Lab rat in the cage up
Okay, wir
ahead.
sind jetzt schon im Labor oder so.
Come on.
Open the door. Door can only be triggered internally.
Scheiße.
Someone's coming.
I got this.
Fuck. Wo kommt jetzt wer? Doch.
You, hands up. Back up. Back up. And freeze. We get collateral. You want a bargain? What's Nerdface worth? Open up. The special agents have the door.
Tja.
Go in there and secure our nerve agent.
Oh, das ist Nervengift.
This'll make me the most dangerous man in the country. I'm also the most shit scared. Oh man. Thank you, federal government.
So.
These scientists have done enough good work for today. Put them to sleep.
So, mach mal.
It's gonna get heavy here. Use a real gun.
Wait, und wir jetzt gerade gesagt, wir müssen die Spezialfähigkeit benutzen. Wäre so krass, oder wie? Oh, dann habe ich schon ein bisschen Schiss, ehrlich gesagt.
Another guard. Poor bastard.
Was ich ja diesmal so heftig finde,
Left up here. Watch for the
dass Steve und Davey dabei sind.
Don't shoot me. I'm carrying nerve toxins here.
Oder wirklich? Oh, wir haben die Affen. Die angeteasten. Ah, dieser Kackstell. Für die anderen außer sie da abgenommen? Ich hoffe nicht. Das ist ein Medipack. Das schnapp ich mir schnell. Haha.
A distress signal will have been sent out. Expect reinforcements.
Oh Gott, draußen wird die Hölle los, ey.
Great.
Okay, schon mal ein bisschen aufgerammt.
We need to see this through.
Der steht noch. Oder?
Hey, you work for the wrong
Wunderbar.
government.
Das ist gerade sehr, sehr gut gegangen. Das war die Verstärkung? Es läuft ja eigentlich alles ganz gut.
Here we go. Get her on ice before the sell by.
Okay, steady. Easy does it, Em. Just as I was getting used to having the apocalypse in my pocket. There you go.
Phillips is on his way. Good.
Sehr gut.
Get this thing ready to move.
I'm just a couple clicks out. Is the package ready? Package is
Nice.
Get over here, man.
Trevor und Franklin.
I can't believe they spent the tank from the Polito job on this chopper. The flying pig rig. And we need a flying pig rig right now.
Trevor und Franklin sind für die Flucht zuständig. Was zwar noch nicht genau, wo Franklin ist, aber der ist auf jeden Fall schon eine gute Sache, dass wir hier mit dem Cargo Bob unterwegs sind. Ja, chill mal, Alter. Ich weiß, dass ich das richtig ausrichten muss. Ich bin nicht blöd. Ich mache das nicht zum ersten Mal.
We missed the window. Agency response team's already in the building.
Notfallteam unterwegs.
We're going. Let's go. It's too risky, Bandito. That bird goes down and takes half the West Coast with it. You know what? If you're done puking up excuses, how about we come up with a solution? Okay. All right, you go. I'll stay in cover. Fucking fine by me. And the dead bodies? I'm lucky I'm not one of them. Come on. Let's go.
Ey, der labert nur so viel zeigt der. Oh mein Gott.
FIB Special Agent, I got this covered.
Detain this man.
Fuck you, I should detain you. I just took a bullet for my country.
Wow. Was für ein Move, Alter. Er tut einfach so, als war er doch gerade eben an dem Falldruck wen.
Where's Agent Haynes? Don't tell me we suffered casualties. Only
Boah, ist dieser Snitch, Alter.
fucking guy shot himself so he could pass as a double agent. Well, maybe they'll debrief him with a 12-inch aluminum flashlight. Haynes took the easy way out. We're the ones hoping we'll outrun the agency response team. I think Franklin's the one taking the easy way. Guy's got his feet up in an aircraft hangar. Look, let's just get to the airport so we can finish this bullshit. When you drop us, I'll take the nerve agent. Mr. Phillips, can I trust you to dispose of the chopper? I got
Klammern.
important things to worry about messing around with this stupid chopper. Like things that actually mean something. Not made up wars with made up enemies. Matters of the heart. Is he fucking with me? Probably not.
So, jetzt der mal den auf dem Anhänger uploaden. Schaut ganz gut aus. Ja, ich glaube, wir kriegen es sogar hier. Und zack. Stark. Nice. Bisschen Anspannung zwischendurch da drin. Aber wir sind nicht gut rausgekommen.
Frank, what's cracking, man? So the chemical weapon in there, right?
Franklin hat den Laster geholt.
Chemical weapon, hell, it could be shaving cream for all I know. By the way, next time you're getting wet, Oh, but there won't be a next time, will there, Davey? There never is.
I'll do my best for you. I always try.
Yeah, well, maybe this time we'll get lucky. Maybe this time Steve will succumb to the strains of enhanced interrogation techniques.
Interrogate him? Are you insane? They're probably decorating him right now.
Hey, Davey, your boys at the agency are onto you, remember? Huh? You and Stevie.
Just try and keep your heads down.
Ja, Putz.
Die ganze Zeit Heads down halten. Ah, es läuft einfach nicht.
Oh, fucking A. Yes.
What's up, man?
My days in the wilderness are over. Lester, he settled up with that crazy Mexican motherfucker. Gave him the artifact. Now, as long as Trevor handles the wife, we're good.
But what about him, man?
Yeah, fuck him. He likes the desert. Besides, we do one big score, we're all gonna have to go our own separate ways anyway. Oh, man. I can't wait to get back to that movie studio.
Yo, all right, man. Well, shit, I'll holler at you later then, all right?
What a shit show. I'll tell you what, you could take this desert and stick it. My life may be a world of pain, but from here on out, it's going to be cool, comfortable, air-conditioned pain. Take it easy.
Ja, Michael freut sich extrem, dass er wieder zurück in die Stadt kann. Weil Trevor und Michael waren ja durch Martin Madrazo aus der Stadt gebannt. Und du hast es halt nicht mehr betreten dürfen.
I had a wonderful time, Trevor.
Oh.
But we both know I made a vow to my husband.
I know.
You have a great pain inside you, but you are a beautiful man.
So, das war too much gerade.
Beautiful man.
I've never been so happy and so sad in my life.
You have a beautiful way with words.
For some reason, everyone I love abandons me.
I am not abandoning you. I am going home.
Street you.
I know.
Da sitzt der Schmerz nur tief,
I know.
dass unter anderem Michael ihn verlassen hat. Ja, Trevor handelt ja nicht ohne Grund, so wie er handelt. Das ist immer das.
No. Stay.
You better treat her right, man. I will, amigo. Yeah, otherwise, the other ear. Of course.
Stimmt, auch nichts gesehen, was Trevor mit
You and me and Michael, we're friends
Madrazo
now.
gemacht hat.
Good friends. Such good friends that we will make a great effort to avoid one another. That's fucking perfect. Thank Michael for the statue. It is exquisite. Yeah. Yeah, I will.
Ja. Schön. Und Trevor denkt sich jetzt nur, er ist wieder allein. Also gut. Das war ein sehr sentimentales Ende. Deswegen ist das nächste Mal. Bewertungen vergessen.